Bonde ndikithia ria ACIACA kongelo kipindi kia kwatha kuma miaka 5 wita miaka 7 rigithirite nini rikireta muthutiro munene ndi na SENITA wa KIAMBU Karungo Wathani ndithirite kireta ndikithia ria KUNYIA miaka ya Wathani 15 mwanka miaka 4 AUGITE RAIS RUTO etiketie ndiguru ya Kenya njira yagirite na kukongelwa miaka ingi manto ya kithira KIANGARATANA bunne mandikitande to Boniface Mongera gatumenye nkuruki
musore jo SENITA kontena ndibona Samson Cherege jo kongera KAANYA kawathani kiritebege siasa kwa miaka 5 mwaka miaka 7 jura thaijo kinyirite nkindo ne kujuke moja mwingika na public participation no jo ndirete kwa mukira migombe
ko tayari
ntukwena Rwa SENITA konte KIAMBU na Karungo Wathani akionekana ikatithwa rire Cherege nende kithiritie kuja musore jo ketho nyinye miaka 15 mwaka miaka 4 na itobi bia nabyo vikariojo.
A 4-year term allows for new leaders to emerge, fostering innovation and responsiveness to the needs of our diverse population. Prevention of power consolidation, longer terms can lead to entrenched power among political elites.
Kolinga na mathori ya Karungo, Rwaria RAIS RUTO na tete wirigiro na Kenya bonene mono na kombeka ikyo gitumyumba kwethira no tumite Cherege na njire rungu.
It's because they understand they cannot be voted for in 2027. They want to take this opportunity and sneak another half term in their 5-year term. Can you imagine a 7-year term of the current governance? A 7-year term. I mean, people would hang themselves. No one would want to tolerate this regime for another 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months.
Kinge nakyo bwana Karungo ariuga Professor Kithure Kindiki urakagite ne kakoroti kanyane kamunio RAIS kombe kakara ukarira gite kiu nonto bwirigitario beke watho.
The UDA constitution says that the deputy party leader is the deputy president. Is going to be the deputy president. So even Kindiki himself, he's not the deputy party leader. They should have just started there, following their constitution. We follow our UDA constitution. First of all, make Kindiki the deputy party leader, and then from there, make him the deputy president.
Bono webwa kenda wekome bwana Karungo ariuga kenda gushura ntaira ethineshi mbirite nthiguru ya Kenya ne Kenya bongo Pedro bayukira na mithega yao ekwali na gukiria tuju twao.
And I want to caution Kenyans a little bit when they say kufa dereva kufa makanga. Remember, you're in that matatu. So when you say kufa dereva kufa makanga, tunakufa wote. I want to tell them, sema shuka dereva, shuka makanga. Tuwachue inchi. Shuka dereva, shuka makanga. And you can only do that by coming out and opposing some of these things.
Nke reporter Ntoshero TV, kumanje karone bia bunge, kengi na ngine kineke musho Nairobi, mbita Boniface Mongera.